Hello friends, welcome to GK with no answer. In the previous video, we have already discussed about the art score. Number 2, why art supports life. Number 3, art's tallest mountain. And number 4 was why art isn't a perfect spheroid. Number 5 was art's magnetic field, is it shifting. Number 6, art's lightning bolts. And today we'll discuss the remaining parts. Number 7, defense equipments of art. How art protects itself from the solar radiation. Number 8, art's atmosphere, volume comparison. Number 9, art's braking system. Days are getting longer. In number 10, we will discuss about underworld, that is Pataluka, underground rivers, underground ecosystem, etc. And everybody likes bonus, right? There will be 2 bonus discussions. What an age of art, a brief discussion, and lastly, from where the elements came. Dig deeper. Okay, let's start the video. The Earth's magnetic field is crucial for protecting our planet from harmful solar radiation. It acts as a shield, deflecting the majority of charged particles from the sun, preventing them from reaching the surface. Let's see the video. Due to this defensive mechanism of Earth, we see aurora in the polar regions. We'll discuss more elaborately in the future videos in this channel. Let's move for the next point. In the 8th point, we'll discuss about Earth's atmosphere. It is very thin. When looking at the size of the Earth, its atmosphere appears to be a very thin layer. If the Earth were the size of an apple, the atmosphere would be thinner than the skin of that apple. Our next point is Earth slowing down? Its braking system. Earth's rotation is gradually slowing down due to tidal forces caused by the moon and the sun. This means that days are getting longer. Although these changes are very gradual, very slow, and not noticeable in our daily life. Our next point is the underworld, that is the world deep under underground rivers and underground ecosystems. Earth has an extensive network of underground rivers. Beneath the Earth's surface, hidden from sight, there are vast networks of underground rivers and cave systems. Some of the underground rivers are longer, even longer than their surface counterparts. Earth has a vast underground ecosystem. Beneath the Earth's surface, there is a hidden world teeming with life, deep underground in what is known as the subterranean biosphere. Diverse organisms thrive in extreme conditions, including extreme temperatures, lack of sunlight, and limited resources. Now, bonus section is of art. By dating the rocks of Earth's ever-changing crust as well as the rocks in Earth's neighbors such as Moon and visiting meteoroids, scientists have calculated that Earth is 4.54 billion years old. For this type of interesting facts, please subscribe GK with no answer.
GK with no answer is the best GK channel in Assam.
Now, the last section is what is the origin of matters? After the Big Bang, the universe was extremely hot and dense. As the universe cooled, conditions became just right to give rise to the building blocks of matter, the quarks and electrons of which we all are made. A few millionth of a second later, quarks aggregated to produce protons and neutrons. Within minutes, these protons and neutrons combined into nuclei. As the universe continued to expand and cool, things began to happen more slowly. It took 380,000 years for electrons to be trapped in orbits around nuclei, forming the first atom. These were mainly helium and hydrogen. For the most abundant elements in the universe. Present observations suggest that the first stars formed from the clouds of gas around 150 to 200 million years after the Big Bang. Heavier atoms such as carbon, oxygen, and iron have since been continuously produced in the hearts of the stars and catapulted out the universe in a spectacular stellar explosions called super. Now it is time for cartoon section. Let's enjoy.
Oh Morty, let's discuss a topic of great depth. A subterranean ecosystem, secrets well kept.
5 main points, you say? That's quite profound.
I hope it doesn't involve any underground hound. No hounds, Morty, just a hidden world below, where creatures thrive and mysterious secrets bestow.
Intense, Tina. But, is there a snack bar down there?
Because, exploring on an empty stomach is unfair. Alas, Morty, subterranean snacks are yet to be found. But the mysteries that await, oh, they truly astound.
Hey, pink guy, do you know what's the age of Earth? Oh buddy, the Earth is so old. It's like Chuck Norris old, man. Come on, give me a real answer. Alright. You want the answer? Just ask the sun, man. He's been here since day one. The sun knows the age of Earth? Yeah, he's got the inside scoop, man. He's like the ultimate.
Oh, funny character, my dear friend. We must implore the viewers of GK with Nyan SAR YouTube channel to heed our desperate plea. Their support, it is the very fuel that keeps Sir Nyan's pixelated soul alive.
Oh sweet corn, let's rhyme and adorn. Come join me, let's talk about the channel of Nyan Sir's born. We need to spread the word, make it known. Like and subscribe, let's make our own zone.